Hello everyone. In this video, I want to focus on tree configuration and why TexasSolver GPU is not just fast, but highly controllable. So in the tree configuration tab, this is basically everything you need to configure a tree and to start solving. Most of those parameters, you have already seen them in other traditional solvers. But in this solver, it will be more convenient ever to set these parameters. So we'll go from start. So in the range part, you can quickly swap the range and choose the range or even input the range here. So if you want to quickly select, for example, an OOP range, here you can just drag the OOP range. Like if it is top 50% minus top like 8%, it will be a very quick select. So let's select IP range in the same way. So let's say IP is the betting side and OP is the call side. So this will be the range maybe. So select board is can be done like in quick clicks, just like many other solvers, and you set all the other parameters here and you click build tree, and after the tree is built you can click run. The run will start to glow and you can click estimate memory. So you always want to pay attention to the memory here. This memory is not CPU memory, not machine memory, it's graphic card memory. So if the tree ever grows like more than what you have on the graphic card, you'd better stop. You'd better not solve that tree. But for study purpose, I think most of the scenarios will be lower than the graphic card memory. So if you click run here, you will start the solving process, as you can see. Okay, now the solving is done. So you can click show results here to go to the strategy viewer. And you can click traverse the game tree to those spots you want to check. Or you can play against the strategy here using this screen. We'll not be talking about this in this video, but I will be talking specifically about this function in the following videos. So there's also this function to export the strategy JSON. It will be exported as a JSON file. It's readable by other programs very easily. So if we open like Firefox, and if we drag the file in, we'll be able to see its structure, like how strategy is stored, how rich probability is stored, how card string is stored, how action EV is stored. So this is all you need for other programs to start analyze the strategy or integrate the resulting strategy into other softwares. So this is all I want to talk about in this video, the tree construction part. We'll be talking about other part of this GPU solver in later videos. Hope you have fun in this video. The download link of the solver and the Discord will be down below in the comment section. Feel free to ask me anything. Feel free to send email to me if you have any further questions. I hope you enjoy the solver. I hope you also enjoy this video. Goodbye. See you in the next one.